Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use SiteGround's control panel for beginners. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy to premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. And after creating your account, so here you will see how to access site tools. So the control panel for managing your website is called site tools. So every client has site tools where they can manage all sites that they own or have access to manage all specific websites in site tools. So go to the website, choose the preferred website and click the site. Alternatively, you can access site tools by typing tools.siteground.com in your browser and log into your username and password of your SiteGround client area. You can view or change your SiteGround client area and site tools login from the login profile menu. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.